Hi, this is Paulette from the Magical Needle, and today I wanted to talk about my favorite tools that I use when sewing. My favorite tool is this magnetic pen. I got it a few years ago at an auto shop, very inexpensive, around $2. This is great. I use this in case I drop a screw on the floor, a needle on the floor, or if I'm cleaning my machine and I happen to drop a screw or needle inside the machine. It's also great if you break a needle and you're looking for that little needle piece that broke off that's missing and you think it's inside the machine. I highly recommend you use this. It will find it. My other favorite tool is this little screwdriver set, and it is magnetic. Of course, I've spoken about my magnifying glasses. I use it all the time for doing close-up work, also for threading the machine and checking my stitches. My other favorite tool is this mascara wand for sewing, and this is a seam ripper. I got these two at Millard Sewing in Omaha, Nebraska a few years ago. Highly recommend stopping by their shop if you're in the area. They have so much tools for sewing, thread, embroidery, and sewing machines. Just wonderful, wonderful store. And of course, I love my tweezers. It's perfect to use if you have lint stuck inside the machine you can't get out, or loose thread. I also like to use these ear swabs as well for cleaning the inside of the machine. And then my other favorite tool, this is magnetic. And I put a lot of bobbins and things that I feel that are really important that I do not want to lose at all in any way. Especially if I'm cleaning the machine and I have to remove the needle plate and I have the loose screws from the needle plate, I put it in here and then I don't have to worry about it disappearing on the floor. Well, I hope this inspires you to make something magical and have a great day.